I'm fucking crying.
Probably crying because you're not getting Jimmy's mom coochie like I am tonight. She gonna want my buttery croissant, bro. Look at this shit. This shit not tender, bro. This shit firm as a rock.
Shit not tender, bro.
Yeah, bro. I don't come in with that tender shit. I come in bricked up. I get one whiff of that stank pussy, bro, and it's game on. I swear to God.
You're doing
You think I'm gonna stop just because Mr. Neutron's around? That fuck nigga can watch.
My fucking head. Oh my god.
Yeah, that fuck nigga can watch for real, bro. I'ma show him how
That fuck nigga can watch for real.
Bro was the one that made me aware that
I'ma show him how I slang dick, bro. I slang that shit like it's coke, bro. I slang that shit like it's dope.
Oh my god.
I slang that shit like it's dope for real. The cops tried to stop me, bro, because my dick be on some shit for real. My dick got more mileage than a fucking 87 Honda Accord.
Oh fuck, finally.
My dick got hella mileage, bro. Bitches be riding that shit 200,000 miles, bro. I'm telling you, bro, this shit got mileage. On God, though, my dick be looking like a raisin because it's always wet, bro. It's always wet, bro. That shit always be like, you know how you leave your hand in the pool and it get all wrinkled and shit? That's how my dick be looking, bro.
What the fuck?
On God, bro, the wrinkles do not stop at the ball sack. I'm gonna be honest. Bro. Bitches tell me too. They're like, damn, Carl, where the fuck? You been working on that shit, ain't you? And I'm like, yeah, bitch, just suck it and shut the fuck up. I'm not really about this talking shit. I'm on a schedule here, bitch. And you really think I'm gonna stop my conquest for your punk ass? Your little limp dick? Fuck no. These bitches got A cups for real, and they think I'm gonna waste my time? Fuck no.
Yo. Oh my god, I'm crying.
Why you crying, bro? The only thing you should be crying about is the travesty I'm gonna do to fucking Jimmy's mom coochie. Fucking smash that shit like an Arby's pastrami sandwich.
Yeah, I think the husband already beat you to it.
Yeah, he gonna watch, bro. He gonna watch. Don't even worry about that fuck nigga.
I'm gonna put that fuck nigga in the closet. Fuck is you
He
saying?
gonna watch for real, yeah.
Calm down. I think we need to calm down.
He gonna watch.
He gonna be stroking his shit. He gonna be like, damn, so
Hey,
that's
we
how
gonna
you be
put that
slanging
fuck
dick?
nigga in the closet for real.
On
How are we
everything,
gonna put him
bro.
in Jimmy's room?
He gonna have to take some notes for real. Otherwise, Jimmy mom gonna
Put him in
leave
Jimmy's room.
for me. Cause I'm built different. Do you see these abs? You see these abs? Look at me, you fucking penguin. Do you see these abs? These shits are rock
Do you
hard.
see these abs?
I'm fucking sculpted out of rock.
Damn. What did the penguin do?
Well,
Bro,
he's
he's
just got big
flexing on the
eyes, so I
penguin,
just,
bro.
I
Let
just
him
wanted to make
flex,
sure
bro.
his big eyes were watching, bro, because he be looking like he's twacked out of his mind. Look at him. Bro, look like he just snorted a whole 8-ball, bro. Look at his eyes, bro. Like, I don't trust him. I don't know about this guy. Yeah, honestly,
Niggas
bro, he
twacked
got
out
some
of his mind.
PTSD eyes, bro. He got that wartime eyes.
You okay?
He has them I seen shit eyes.
Oh, he does. He's kind of scary. Here, I'm gonna back up a little bit. I don't want him that close to me.
I don't want him that close to me.
Oh god.
Oh shit.
In the
Who's got the depressing ass X song playing?
of Jimmy's
They get quiet as shit.
mom,
I can't breathe.
fly away to Jimmy's mom's house.
To Jimmy's mom's house.
Y'all ever tried a fishing snack?
It's just Jimmy's mom. She don't have
Yeah,
a
she
name.
built different, bro. She got that fucking pastrami lips hanging out like an Arby's fucking
Yes, you're
sandwich.
fucking with it.
That shit be stinking too, for
Yep,
real.
it's me. Fuck me.
I'm just gonna let y'all know, for real. I'm gonna spit it how the fuck it is. I don't want no fucking, I don't want no fucking 20, 30 some old bitch. You don't know how to ride a dick. I got mileage, bro. I know what the fuck I'm looking for. I need a MILF that's trained. And she's what I need. She's perfect.
Roxy, I can't breathe.
I can't either.
Die.
What are you doing? What are you saying?
You guys want to
bro?
borrow my inhaler? You guys sound like you're having some breathing problems. Here, just suck on my inhaler. Guys, don't tell her it's actually my dick.
Trust it.
Do not. Ah, you guys already told her, didn't you? Fuck. You weren't supposed to tell her. I was trying to get a freebie.
It's like the size of a shrimp.
Bro, I was trying to get a freebie for real. Don't even fuck with Carl Wheezer for real.
I'll still give you that freebie.
Habibi, I'd do anything for a freebie, Habibi.
I'll give you a freebie.
Habibi? Freebie for Habibi?
Habibi.
Habibi? Habibi?
I'll give you a freebie for Habibi.
Aw, fuck yeah, you will. I'm ready.
Oh, fuck yeah,
It's like
you
the
will.
size of a grape.
Size of a grape? That's probably my left testicle. Sorry about that. That shit pretty big for real. Sorry about that.
That shit pretty big for real.
No, even the ants in the ground say, where? Where is it?
Damn.
Yeah, I got
That
ping
shit
pong
pretty
balls
big
for
for real.
balls. Them shits be bouncing. It's like a
Why
whole
are
damn
we like
tennis
this?
racket down there, bro. Should just be a fucking little
Tennis
game of
racket
tennis,
down
bro.
there.
I swear.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
That's
put that on the
wild.
blood.
Put that on the blood.
But I'm dead.
On Folknem for real.
I bet you beat that shit with 2 hands.
Yeah.
I bet you.
You two of his hands, your pinkies.
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh,
Is
Miss
it the same
Neutron.
size as the horse?
I'm thinking about Miss Neutron. Everybody shut up so I can focus on Miss Neutron. Oh, she's perfect. Oh, her curves are like an hourglass. Oh, she's so milky. I just wanna suckle her milk.
Yeah, what the
What?
fuck? Okay,
She
you
told
lost
me
me
I
there.
could. She told me I could.
Nah,
She's
you
like
lost me. Nah, bro.
She told me I could. She's like, I'm still lactating, and I'm like, bet. And I started squirting that shit in my coffee, bro. I was like, let's go.
No!
Yeah, bro, that shit was
Not the
creamy.
coffee.
Yeah, that shit was
You
creamy,
said that
bro.
shit was creamy.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think I'm about to start buying from her.
Starbucks drink.
I think I'm about to start buying, bro. Fuck Starbucks, bro. $10 for a fucking caramel macchiato.
Starbucks.
Fucking caramel macchiato's $10. Are you fucking kidding me? I can go to Jimmy's mom's house and just get some breast milk.
Snap.
They don't got that at
Oh,
Get some
Starbucks.
breast milk.
You want to talk about my mom?
They ain't got that
Oh,
shit.
no.
Yeah, your mom built different, Jim. How you
Your
been,
mom
Jimbo?
built different, Jim.
Yo,
Me and
Jimbo,
my
you
mom
still
alone.
rocking that ice cream cut? Looking like a whole ass ice cream cone?
That ice cream cut could go crazy.
You look like a chocolate fucking ice cream cone with your dumb ass. Fuck you gonna do about it? I'm gonna fuck your
What
mom,
you gonna
bitch.
do about it?
With your ice cream cone looking ass. Go back to fucking Dairy Queen. You soft serve ass bitch.
You soft serve ass bitch. Yo.
Yo, is that a 1987 Honda Accord LXI with pop-out headlights? That shit's awesome. I'm gonna ride that to Jimmy's mom's house, bro.
I'm right at the Jimmy's mom's house.
Why?
Yo, let me get that whip for real. I need to get to Jimmy's mom's house, bro. She's like a good 10 miles from here.
You got legs.
You got legs? You kidding me? Do you know how many conquests I had to run, bro? I'm not running anymore. Give me that Honda. Give me that
You know how
6.0
the
liter
Civic?
engine with the VTEC and the 5-speed. Oh, God,
Do
I
you want a
need
Honda
that.
Civic?
I mean, or you
Yeah.
could crawl. I mean, like, you could crawl.
What the fuck? You got... No, she don't crawl to me, for real.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she bad like that. She want me. She see the come up, bro. She saw the come up, bro. She saw me went from that chubby fuck to Kratos, bro, and it's just hitting different. Yeah,
Did
bro,
we
I'm
get
Kartos.
this,
He's Kratos, bro. What is you talk about?
Yeah, what the fuck is you talking about?
What did you
How did we even get to this point? That's my question.
I don't
Bro,
know. I'm
he's
just on some
Kratos.
G
What are you
shit for
talking
real.
about, bro?
I'm just
Dude,
on some
I don't
G
even
shit for
know.
real. Yo, what's
think
up,
so,
He's
yeah.
Neil?
top
this
G,
chat
bro.
for like 5
Fuck is
minutes
you
and
talking
it has
about? He's
devolved
top
into
G.
this.
I'm God. I
This
don't
is
fuck with no
Oh,
lames.
God.
Hold on a second. Cause there's like 6 people
What's up?
talking. I know Blue's voice, Leo's voice, your voice obviously, and yours. Who's the other person speaking?
They bad, but sound like a belly but Balenciaga.
Shmoney.
Oh, yo, you guys are bumping Suicide
It's a very
Boys?
good
I
question.
fucking love that shit. I'ma bump this while fucking Jimmy's mom, bro.
Yo, what the fuck?
No, I'm gonna start talking my shit.
Let them know, bro. We ain't sitting on no benches, bro. We out here making plays.
We out here making plays.
You think we're sitting on some fucking benches waiting for some shit? Nah, bro, I'm hustling for real.
I'm gonna talk my shit.
Yeah.
On top of shit,
We
bro.
making motion out here.
Goddamn.
Fuck is y'all talking about?
On everything. On top of shit like the fucking star on the Christmas tree. Shining bright too, bitch.
Oh my god. Dude, bro, I love you, bro. You're fucking hilarious. No homo.
I love you too, bro. No homo, cause I only want Jimmy's mom.
Yeah, cause that's that gay shit.
Yeah, that's that gay shit for you. Yeah,
Hey,
only
hit the-
Tesla
time to
drivers
hit the
be
bong.
sucking dick.
I'll be popping bottles.
It's like, yeah, you fast, but you also fast as sucking dick, you fucking Tesla driving
You also
pussy.
fast as sucking
Yeah,
dick.
yes. I'll finish you off in a matter of minutes.
I got everyone dying, bro.
I don't feel like that's a good
Give
thing.
this guy a few seconds,
Yeah,
don't worry.
exactly, bro. You gotta go slow on that shit. That's why I hate Tesla drivers, bro. Fuck Tesla drivers for real.
Fuck Tesla
Oh
drivers.
shit, dude.
Bro, I stepped on that fucking pedal of that shit, bro. That shit incinerated, bro. Them Teslas made out of fucking styrofoam, bro.
Styrofoam is crazy.
That unrendered
car.
piece of shit,
That
bro.
is
I don't want no
certainly
unrendered car, bro. What the fuck? Render that shit.
Yeah, I mean, I see spooky guys. Everyone else is still default for me.
I need RTX on my car, bro. I don't need that fucking.
RTX is crazy.
I don't need that
That's
PlayStation
wild.
1 car.
Leo, you said you're still default?
Change your settings.
Yeah, you gotta change your download size.
Yeah, you gotta
Bet you
change your
got a little
download
mayonnaise
size to
today.
at least like 500,000.
Yeah, no, you're doing too much.
Nah, because what if somebody has like a 5 gigabyte avatar, bro? What you gonna do then?
Then I'm just gonna die.
I guess so, bro. You gotta get that 5 gig avatar, bro. That shit got RTX.
5 gig avatar is crazy.
Yeah, you need all that detail, bro. Every
All
fucking
that
follicle. I want to be able to zoom in on a fucking freckle.
On a
And
freckle,
she a
that's
fucking
crazy.
flock of hair, just a little tiny one. Yo, what's up, 80s life? Yo, that's my boy right there. 80s life is for real, my boy. We go
The
way
way
back.
you said that was hilarious.
The way I said what? Hey, 80s life. Hi.
Crazy.
Nah, you won't be able to do it again. You said it weird the first time.
Yeah, that shit was funny as hell, I'm not gonna lie.
You just keep on going on and on with the Carl voice.
Oh, my
He's fucking
teeth, bro.
hilarious.
Damn player. You see? No. Yeah, player. See that wolf creeper? See, creeper fucking guy. Did you grim reaper? Yeah, player. I mean, that's yeah, player. Damn, player. That you was money making. Yeah, player. Don't take that up forsaken grave, player. Third razor. Laugh at you bitches saying, yeah, player. My
Kill it.
bitches dying,
Yeah.
ladies. Yeah. Get the
Get
fuck
it.
up! I'm listening to the Suicide Boys.
Yeah. We're listening to you listen to it.
Oh, true. I don't even have the lyrics in front of me either. It's a black screen. Bunch of things before they got me snow laughing now. I'm going to go everywhere. No, whoever let the building rap my fucking so better than the rope I had before. Nobody knows me when I go. And I got hoes. Hold on. Now I'm always down, always home alone in the back of the Benz. Hold on. Always wanted you
Damn, why
to
the
stick to
fuck
my
your
face.
neck,
Yeah, I
bro?
think I'm Medusa. The white
That
was
shit
the red, white, and
crooked.
blue ones. Always losing
What?
money, but don't
Your
let that
fucking neck
confuse
is
ya.
crooked.
Yeah, I'm still a loser.
I've just took this position. It represents my state.
Yeah,
No.
it has black screen, but if I had the lyrics in front of me, bro, swear to Christ on that. Why would you feel like rejoining just to get that shit to render? Fuck that.
Your neck fucking slump. That shit is broke.
Used to be got a bunch of this before they got me snow leopard.
I think
Yeah,
he
they
likes
used to
Suicide
call
Boys
me.
a little bit.
They used to call me Carl Wheezer, the Slayer. Isn't that hard? Isn't that hard as fuck? They used to call me
I
that.
actually got the Pomni costume.
Show
Nobody
outside, bitch. You
cares.
have green hair on forehead. I don't give
You want me to show y'all? Y'all want me to show y'all?
No, shut the fuck up, you fat ass. Before you have a greasy ass fucking hair, Bitch, you got a greasy ass
Yo,
fucking
why is
forehead,
there a
bitch. You look
fetus
like a
here?
clown car.
Hey Roxy, pass me back that.
I didn't even know they had iPads in the fetus, bro. Like, in a fetal state, bro? That's crazy.
Oh, okay, you got it. Never mind.
Fetal state technology.
I just gave it back to you.